Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Welcome to another face in my Draw Along Face Guide series. And this one I'm going to call Maestro. You'll find out why in a moment. And I'm going to start this slightly differently. Let's draw in the ears, like that. And the idea here is to show you how you can draw really simple faces with really simple marks and lines. So I'm going to just draw this kind of slight S kind of curve like that. Okay, and then I'm going to come around like this and down into a V and back around there like that, around the top, and I'm going to kind of do this sort of collar around there like that, and that's going to be the the collar of his jumper or sweatshirt, whatever he's wearing. Armpits. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the chin in there like that with a few little dots, so that kind of fades. And then here will be the eyes, so we want some sort of seriously piercing eyes, and he's kind of quite a serious piercing kind of guy. We're going to want to have kind of a nose like that probably, and then a mouth, so he's deadly serious, telling you what he wants. And I call him the Maestro because he has this kind of sort of Beethoven-like wild hair. And I'll bring that around like that. So it's sort of big one, small one, tiny one, big one, small one, tiny one, and you need to kind of sort of flick them a little bit to get sort of curves and angles. And then we're going to have up here big, small, small, big, small, small, big, small, small. And so some of these are like, that's like an S, but that's just a curve. And so they're really kind of simple shapes. Curve. So that was more of an S, wasn't it, like that? And then you might want to put some extra little ones in there. And there we have a kind of a mad composer or conductor or something like that. And to show you how we can change the expression, I'll just sort of draw the outside again. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload new videos to help you improve your creative skills. And this time I'm actually going to bring his chin down a little bit lower than that. And then those little dots. And now we want a different kind of expression. And so he's sort of still got this kind of beetling eyebrow, but I'm going to bring his eyebrow up there, so he's kind of much more thinking about things. And little eyes like that, which are just curves. And same kind of nose like that. And then maybe a more thoughtful kind of mouth like that. And you can see it's the same kind of character, but with a different expression and mood. Maybe if I put that in as well. And it's all about expressions. And when you're illustrating and creating characters, you can sort of create this basic kind of shape and face, and leaving this part in the middle where you can alter all the features to create different expressions. This is kind of what people read mostly. They kind of see the stuff on the outside, but when it comes to an illustration, they're really reading the expression on the face, and the shape on the outside is just kind of recognizing who the character is. If you go to shoorayner.com/courses, you can download this sheet and this one, which gives you more to do. Lots of practice in. Practice is the key. Completely free, and you'll find it's on a course with lots more down the side, other faces and characters that you can draw and practice. So thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner Drawing channel on YouTube, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 and practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.